Hey y'all, before we get into this cash stuffing, I want to say this. If you're watching this and all you have is a little, you are not failing. Today we are cash stuffing $35, not $350, not $3,500, just $35. And we're going to be intentional with every dollar. Welcome back to My Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stress, or confused anymore. I'm Patricia, and listen, surviving season is over. We're thriving now. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. If you're new here, this channel is about budgeting in real life, even when it's hard, even when the numbers are small. You know, I used to think that saving only mattered if when you have a lot of money, but I've learned that it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. And this $35 represents discipline, consistency, and showing up for myself, and that matters. Let's count this money together. Okay, so we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35 total. $34. Yes. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set this up. I started saying that song. One is the loneliest number that you ever see, because I only have 110. Okay. See, everybody else has friends. Oh. And go ahead and put the ones there. Okay, so we're going to use this, but I need to go in and grab out. Oh no, that's the old other one. The one I already did. The first cash stuffing. Here we go. This is the one for December 26th. All right, you guys. We're going to go ahead and move this over. Sit that up there. Okay, and so we are going to go into the envelope savings challenge book. Okay, so my first envelope is going to be the emergency fund, and I'm putting $10 in there. Here we go, emergency fund, and we're going to put the $10. Okay, so y'all heard that cough. Never mind that. My husband is on his computer. Oh, sorry. Are you able to see this? I have to say, don't give me a hard time. Get to now. Get to now. Okay, so let me take out the markers. Okay. So for this one, I don't want to use that. We'll use the line. All right, you guys. I hope that you all had a Merry Christmas. Okay, that is that for the emergency fund. Okay, so and you know, I can't stress this enough. Emergencies don't ask if you're ready. This one gives me peace even when it grows slowly. The next one is going to be car maintenance is next with $5. So that's going to be one of the fives. Where's that? Okay, right here. Car maintenance. And that's going to be $5. These little suckers are sticky. If you've ever had car trouble pop up at the worst time, you already know why this envelope matters. Even $5 today can save you stress tomorrow. There we go. I want to get in there all that low. All right. And so, let's do this. $5. I'll color the whole thing on these. Okay. I do not like how that is looking. All right. Okay, and so now the next one is going to be the dollar challenge. I don't put them in here. I put my dollars in something else. Once it hits save $61 ones, I'm gonna stop counting, and then just add the dollars in there and do the end of the year counting my cash stuffing. Okay, so this gets 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This challenge reminds me that dollars add up quicker than we think. Sometimes the smallest savings end up to be the most motivating because you actually see progress. So that's 1. Here's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. My camera stopped videoing because of footage, so this is number 6. 7. It was due to storage. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 13, 14, 'You see how messy this one is? 15. All right. Okay, so let me put this over here. And the last stuffing, the last envelope is for my website fund. And this is actually what I made. The File Out challenge is for the website. So this is going to add. And what I'm doing is 2 5s in here. So I'm just, how many ever that I have at that time, that is what I'm going to put in one of the plastic holders. It's been a long day, you all. Long day. Okay, there we go. For this one, you know what? Hi y'all, my camera died for the 3rd time, but I did put that. I don't know if you've seen it. I did put that other 5 in, colored it, and as I was saying, this is what living in my future, my brand, and what God placed on my heart. Even when the numbers don't look big yet. So you guys, you have to trust and believe. If you're watching this and feel behind, let me tell you something. You're not behind. You're building. Consistency beats perfection every single time. If this video encouraged you, go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and remember, surviving season is done. We're thriving now. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. I'll see you on the next one.